Place cameras to clearly capture anyone using gutters, drain pipes, fences, or other footholds to reach upper windows. Focus cameras on likely climbing routes rather than just property perimeter. Mount at least 2 upward-angled cameras covering the base and middle of each climbable feature so you capture the initial approach and the ascent. Position one camera low enough to record faces and another higher to follow movement toward windows. Aim lenses slightly upward with a 30 to 45 degree tilt to reduce blind spots where a climber tucks under eaves. Use cameras with adjustable focal length or varifocal lenses so you can reduce distortion when covering vertical movement from close range. Place cameras within 20 to 30 feet of gutters and drain pipes to maintain identification quality while avoiding obvious tampering points. Protect wiring by routing it inside soffits or conduit, and add tamper detection where possible to alert you if a camera is disturbed. The most common mistake is mounting cameras too high and pointing them straight down, which misses faces when someone climbs. Remedy this by adding a lower secondary camera angled up to capture facial detail. Another issue is leaving climbing routes unlit, which lets intruders move in shadow. Add motion-activated spotlights aimed to illuminate gutters and fence tops without creating glare in the camera image. A third problem is focusing only on windows and ignoring intermediate footholds like bins or trellises. Move or add cameras to cover those access points, and install physical deterrents such as short anti-climb spikes or slatted trellis that reduce hand and foot purchase. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find local contractors and to help contractors find work related to home security and installation. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share strategies, ask questions, and get practical feedback from others tackling similar climbing spot security concerns.